Minimize breakouts. If you have skin that's prone to breakouts, this DIY is for you. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified when I have more videos. Follow me on Instagram at Chablee Hair Journey, and my jewelry line is chablee.com. Okay, first for this DIY, you're going to need 2 ripe avocados. I'm going to go ahead and peel them apart and place them in a bowl. And I'm going to pour some of my breast milk. Now, if you don't have breast milk, you can use almond milk or coconut milk. Cleaning your face with avocado may help you have fewer breakouts. This is due to the antimicrobial properties in avocado. Avocados are high and beneficial for fats containing vitamin E and vitamin C, which are important for healthy skin, helps promote your skin from sun damage. It just makes your skin glow. So I have this DIY avocado mask at a perfect consistency. As you see, it's not too runny and it's not too thick. It's a perfect consistency. I made enough to apply later in my hair, and I'll be doing another video about that. Has so much benefits for your hair, but this video is containing to our skin, so I can't wait for you guys to see how it made my face so glowy. It doesn't have a smell or anything, but I would definitely keep it in the refrigerator if you're not ready to apply it on your face right away. You could put it on your face in the morning and at night. So let's start applying it on the face. I'm applying it on the face with this it's like a rubber plastic brush kind of thing, I want to say. It's supposed to be easier to apply on your face. And it's healthier. I mean, it's less bacteria on it. I would recommend a finger because maybe I can do it evenly, but it doesn't matter. As long as it gets on the face, put a good amount on your face. Make it like really thick where you can see the green. You see how when I rub it in, you don't see it as much, but make sure it's apply on very heavily and thick. No certain motion or direction you can put it in. Just make sure you apply it on. And, try to put some on your neck too. Around your mouth. It doesn't really taste nasty, but, I get it really close to the eyes because breast milk is really good for eye infection, ear infection, cuts, burns, rashes, eczema, and breast milk is good for acne. So mixing breast milk in there does a really big difference. As you guys see right here, I'm really applying it on my lashes, but I'm being very careful. If you have a lash brush or some kind of little clear brush, you can do it that way. Put it on my lips. I just love it because this is 100% organic and you can just apply it everywhere. Later on, it did a little bit get in my eye. Didn't burn or anything, but it was irritating. So this is what it looks like when it's dried. It's kind of funny, a little silly looking. I did leave it on my face for 45 minutes, and this is with a fresh, clear skin. I just cleared it off with just room temperature water, and as you see, my skin is definitely glowing. Definitely should try it. Your skin will feel amazing. Your makeup will apply on so much easier. But you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and love you guys, and peace.